The difference between a revocable trust and an irrevocable trust is that a revocable trust is revocable, so you can change it at any time. You can decide that you want to terminate the revocable trust. You can add beneficiaries. You can make all sorts of changes to that trust. An irrevocable trust is more set in cement. So you set up the irrevocable trust, and there will be some terms that you might be able to make some small changes, but it's much more difficult to change an irrevocable trust and to terminate the irrevocable trust. An irrevocable trust is literally irrevocable and hard to make any alterations to. A revocable living trust can be a really great estate planning tool, as what a lot of people think about as a will substitute. So it allows you to establish the roadmap for what you want to happen to your assets while you're alive, while you're incapacitated, and then when you die. So the benefit is that you have everything in this revocable living trust, in this bucket, and when you die, your family doesn't have to go searching around for assets. Everything is in this bucket, and they could administer it pursuant to the terms that you set forth in your revocable trust. Some of the drawbacks potentially can be that it's a little more expensive to set up than a will because you have to fund all of the assets into the trust. And if you're looking to have something established for tax benefits, a revocable trust, it's not a drawback, but it's not going to accomplish that goal for you. The benefits of an irrevocable trust can be a number of things. One, if you're setting it up for tax purposes, you might be trying to avoid some estate taxes in the future. You'll be able to achieve that goal by establishing an irrevocable trust and funding that trust. You can also be sure that your beneficiaries can be protected from creditors, predators, or from their own mistakes in the future, ensuring that their assets are protected in that trust and that creditors wouldn't be able to get at that trust. Revocable trusts are easy to change. You can make amendments, you can add beneficiaries, change beneficiaries, change the structure of the trust while you're living, or what you want it to look like after you die. You can even terminate your revocable trust if you should choose to do so. If you have questions about the differences between a revocable trust and an irrevocable trust, please give us a call at Hoelzle Law.